Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Sarah. Today I want to share a recipe with you called Incredibly Delicious Italian Cream Cake. It's from allrecipes.com. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 5 large eggs, buttermilk, a cup of coconut, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 cups of sugar, a half a cup of shortening, a half a cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, first preheat your oven to 350 and grease your 9 by 13 cake pan. Okay, now let's start making the cake. Okay.
But we can't make the cake. Just kidding.
Okay.
Can I pour it on?
Yes, we're going to put 1 cup of milk in this small bowl. 1 cup of buttermilk. Ready?
I want to do it
Okay,
myself.
do it. You got my finger. Oh, I can't let go. There you go. And then we're going to make
Oh my goodness.
put our teaspoon of baking soda in there. Okay, now we're gonna add, can you add the baking soda
Okay.
into the bowl? Okay, and we're gonna stir this and then set it aside. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna beat the butter, half a cup of butter.
Can I see the sugar now?
Yes, 2 cups
I
of
can
sugar.
do it myself.
Okay,
See?
good job.
See?
And the half a cup of
Wait.
shortening.
Mine.
Okay.
Mine. Yeah.
Okay, let me help you scrape it.
Ooh.
Nice. Okay, we're gonna beat this until it's nice and fluffy.
Can I turn it on?
Wait just a second, we gotta lift it up. There, now you can turn it on. Okay, now it's nice and fluffy. Yes, you can turn it on. Good job.
One.
How many eggs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Okay, now we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. Yep, here, you hold the spoon. You hold the spoon, I gotta pour this. Okay, ready? Okay, and then we're gonna lift this up and start mixing. Can you put it on 2?
I need more.
Okay.
Put it on a little faster.
Yeah, we can put it on 2. Just one more. Not too fast.
Yes. Put it
Just
on.
put it on 2. You gotta do it slowly. Oh, spit this one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It'll keep it nice and safe.
Okay, next, let's add our buttermilk and baking soda mixture. Sure.
Can I put it in?
Yep.
I need you to do it all by myself.
Okay, can you
Take
put it
it
in?
off.
Can you put it in right here?
No.
Yes.
Take the spoon out.
Okay.
Okay. I can
Okay,
do it.
you can do it. Okay. Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Good job. Okay, you're gonna add the baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay. Put it in.
Yep.
Oh,
And then we're gonna add the 2 cups of flour.
Can I do the smaller one too? One.
Hey, yes, here. Put this starting to stir.
That's good funny.
Yep, that's a coconut. So 1 cup of coconut goes in. And then we're gonna mix this all together. Make sure it's all mixed up.
Oh, Missy. Okay, now what do we do?
That's it, we're just gonna make sure it's all mixed up. And then we're gonna bake it.
I want the baking part. Do we get to frosting?
Yes,
After we're done baking?
yes,
And then we get to eat it.
yes, definitely. Okay, cake batter is all mixed up. You want to mix it up just to combine. And now I'm going to pour it into my cake pan.
I can do it by myself.
Okay, I'll let you do it by yourself.
Can I take this out?
No, you can't try it yet. Oh no. Lydia, here, help me scoop. I thought you were going to do it all by yourself. You were making a mess. Are you ready to lick the bowl or something?
Coconut, yeah.
Oh, it's so good. You don't like coconut?
No.
Maybe when it's cooked, you'll like it. Thank you so much for helping. Okay. Now the oven is preheated for 350. This recipe says to divide the batter into 3 9-inch round pans, but I've only put it in a 9 by 13 pan. I'm still gonna bake it at 350. Okay, the cake looks done. I'm gonna test it. To test it, I'm gonna put a toothpick in, and it comes out clean. It is ready. So we're gonna let this cool. Now it's time to make the icing. To do that, you'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese. I like the Philadelphia's cream cheese. 1 stick of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons. The recipe calls for light cream, and I could only find heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, then a cup of coconut flakes, and a half a cup of walnuts. Now we're gonna add our 1 stick of butter and 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's softened, and start mixing. We're gonna mix that together with 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
I'll put that first.
Okay, now we're gonna add hold it.
Oh my god.
Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Yummy. I'll put this vanilla over there.
Okay, good job.
Wait, I'm gonna mix it.
And now we're gonna add the 4 cups of powdered sugar and start mixing. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Careful, watch your fingers. Oh my goodness. Okay, and we're gonna add our heavy cream. There's 1 and 2 tablespoons.
Oh my. Oh, I could not be doing this.
You're doing a great job.
Oh my, I'm making Camilla. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Okay, yeah, and we're gonna add the coconut and the walnut and mix.
I can do it. Oh my god.
Okay, now the icing is all mixed together. We're gonna scoop it out and put it on our cake.
No more.
Yep, you got it? And the cake is really soft, so you're gonna just put big clumps kind of like all over, and then we're going to mix it.
Mix it?
Yep, no, just like, and then it'll be easier, I'm sorry, mixing it. Not mixing it, but you're gonna put big clumps kind of all over it, and then it'll be easier to spread. And then you won't mess up your cake if the cake is really soft. Like this one is. It looks so good, guys. Thank you so much for helping me. Oh, you got frosting on you. Well, we hope you enjoyed this cake. Please like and subscribe to watch us make more fun desserts. Okay, now the icing is spread over. I'm just gonna add a little extra coconut on the top and some walnuts to decorate. Okay, can't wait to try this.
Yay!
And there you go.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay, there you have it. Incredibly delicious Italian cream cake.